Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop and welcome all you new subscribers. There's been a load of you, so thank you. Must be doing something right, whether it's comedy or you're just interested, who knows. So, what have I been up to? Been doing a few bits, haven't really filmed much because I just want to get some stuff done. So, been on the Harley this week. I've got the wheels balanced, tyres put on, put the wheels on the bike. What else have we done? Built up the other side, so the other side is complete bar the exhausts. I've just got to build up the primary on this side, and that's about it I think. And handlebars, put the panels on, and a seat, and then we should be out riding on that hopefully for the summer. Cub update. So managed to finally get hold of the C100 repair panel. Not sure what video that was, but it's been ages trying to find one of these. The only place I could get one from was America, which took about 3 weeks to arrive. And that's it, I think. So I will be doing a video on that soon, but today, or this episode, we're going to be on the 70, my 70 hardtail there. We'll drag that one out. I've got the forks, so we're going to do the suspension upgrade. Get it? So I'm going to fit some external shocks and springs. I've got some new ones from YSS or something. They look okay, good reviews. So we'll be cleaning up the welds. I've hopefully got a tyre today, so then I can sort of set the mudguard height if it arrives. That's it. And then also the wheel reveal, which you've probably seen, but it would be nice to get that out. So I should have by the end of the day a fully built up complete front end ready to paint. So here we go, shocks and an unboxing, the first unboxing of the channel. So let's see how this goes. Ooh. There we go. I think what are these? I think they're about 50 quid, eBay specials. They look okay, I think. Everyone else seems to use them. Oh, cack-handed. Yeah, dinky little things. Look at those. Wow. Tiny. Cool. Let's get to fitting them. So for those of you who like comparisons, here we are. Older than new, slightly longer springs, thicker. I haven't counted the coils, but it does looks about the same, to be honest. Just they're just wider on these, so we'll see. Not sure how they handle, but they are rated. Now obviously the obvious difference with these is the originals were mounted via a thread, whereas these are going to be mounted by like a transverse bolt. So these are more like the early shape, to be honest, I think. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think that's what's on the C100. Can't see. No, yeah, I think so, yeah. So there we go. I might just give these a quick clean up, just so they're nicer to work with. Okay, clean enough. Might run them through the shot blaster just for 30 seconds, see what I can get them to come up like. There we go, nice and clean. Not perfect, but good enough for me to build this up with. There we are. So, I'm not sure on the actual ride height. I might put the old springs back in just to check that. But for now, all we want to do really, these are going to go on here like this, and then I have to make a bracket up here to hold it to the fork body. Right, so I've got the original shock still inside, just so I can get the height right, which is there. I'll have to come up quite high here on this part just to clear the spring. But one good thing is when the arm does come up, it actually comes out further, so it does lift the spring away from the leg. So I think I should be okay there. If not, I'll just trim this little edge a bit. That lip, just grind that lip down, make it look a bit tidier. Yeah. So I'll just make a rough template here of what I want. I'll get the right sizes and then we can sort of make it a bit nicer. That's it. I think it looks okay. I'll cut 4 of these out, make them in steel, and get them welded on. So I've got my trusty 2mm plate, which is the same thickness as the forks, so it should be plenty strong enough. And I'll just make some of these. If I can find a pen. And I'm not using this, it's too thick. It's a panda. Do you have a tyre for me? No.
So quiet.
Oh, cup of tea, look.
So quiet, I thought you'd had a nap in here.
No.
It's coffee, actually.
Thank you. Yes, you are on camera. Thank you. If my tyre comes, can you let me know? Yeah. Right, there we go. Nice cup of coffee. Right. Carry on with this. So I'm leaving enough room between them for the thickness of the blade. Basics. You all know this. there we go. Did 4 all at once, so they're all the same shape now. I'll get them apart. And all the same. I'll just drill them now, and then we'll get them tack welded up. There you have it, 4 made. I'm just going to put them in the blaster, just remove all the rough edges and just get it nice and tidy. So the parts out the glass cabinet, didn't really need to do this, but it does just make it look a little bit nicer. So I've got rid of all the file marks. I'm going to get the forks shot blast properly because it doesn't really work that well in my cabinet. I want to take it to a proper guy. They can get real deep in there, get all the rust out. But yeah, they look alright. Happy with those. Just get them welded on and then build it up. Show you what it looks like. Okay, so we've got the inner shock lined up, so I know that's the correct height. We are clearing here, and that's all snugged up. So just going to mark off on here where these go. That's it, now we'll tack weld it. Okay, there we have it. What we got? Yeah, so brackets are tacked, springs are in. One thing I do need, these are obviously for a different bike, so I just need to drill these out to take the axle. Other than that, it's pretty good. So I'll just get that welded up and then we're done. Not bad, even if I do say so myself. we're done. All welded, all the welds are ground, it's all tidy. I will, once I get the tyre, we'll cut that in and then we'll put a little fender on there. But that's it. Okay, and that's the end of that episode, guys. So if you want to follow along and you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. Don't forget to leave a like, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.